Can't seem to find the right mockup for your print on demand businesses? I've got a solution for you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be telling you about my experience using the Vexels Mockup generator. If you use print on demand providers such as Printful, Printify, Guten, Gearbubble, there's a high chance that your mockups are the same with your competitors. Take for example that you're a customer looking to buy something and you discover that most of the mockups are the same, and you come across this one buyer that has exceptional mockups, very pretty, beautiful. Wouldn't you choose the person who has a better mockup over the other competitors with the same mockups? I know I would. That's why I present to you the Vexels Mockup generator. Vexels doesn't only offer ready to download designs. Vexels doesn't only offer the PSD scalable designs. Vexels doesn't only offer design requests. Vexels just released this new mockup generator where you can find mockups to virtually anything you want to sell, ranging from merch and clothing to branding to devices to food and drinks, signs and billboards, seasonals. Vexels has everything you need for your print on demand businesses, so you should definitely take advantage of this. If you watch my previous videos, I showed you how you can get mockups or how you can get t-shirt mockups using the Vexels t-shirt maker. Although this is beautiful, this is nice, where you can change the model. Maybe if you want a hoodie or if you want a female mockup, you can change the model, or you change the color, or you change the background. The difference between the Vexels t-shirt maker and the Vexels mockup generator is that with the Vexels mockup generator, you have mockups for every merch clothing out there. You have mockups for t-shirts, for hats, for phone cases, as well as pop sockets, for bags. I think you have, yeah, for Macs too. Pillowcases. Is virtually everything, different kinds of mockups that you ever need for your print on demand businesses is right here. Not only do they have different mockups, you can also change the backgrounds of the mockups. You can also change the color of the clothing. For example, you want a red shirt with your design. You can just come here, click on this icon, and you choose the color. Then you can change the background. If you don't want, you can easily change the background. Or if you don't want a sweatshirt, you can go with a t-shirt, change the color, change everything. So guys, it's very easy to create unique mockups and stand out from your competition. I always put myself in the shoes of a customer. Why is this seller's mockup different from the rest? Myself as a customer, I always look for listings that catch my attention. When you get my attention, I'll definitely check out your listing, and the probability of me buying from you is very high. Not only does Vexels provide ready-made designs for your print-on-demand businesses, Vexels also provides scalable t-shirt PSDs. I've made a video about the scalable t-shirt PSDs, how you can easily use a ready-made template to change the image, change the color, change the text in a matter of seconds, and and you can create hundreds of designs in a matter of minutes. So I've made a video about this. If you haven't watched it, I'm gonna link it on the screen so you can go and update yourself. So not only has Vexels offered ready-made designs, ready to download designs, Vexels also provided scalable t-shirt designs, scalable t-shirt PSDs. Now Vexels has brought up the Vexels Mockup generator, which is very easy to produce high quality, unique mockups for your print-on-demand businesses. So if you haven't checked out Vexels, there are 2 links in the description. One is for the monthly and yearly plan, and the other is for the lifetime plan. I went with the lifetime plan. So I quickly got my design from here to show you how to use the mockup generator, but I'm just quickly going to show you that I am a lifetime subscriber. Right here it says merch lifetime. So guys, you should really take advantage of Vexels. I forgot to mention that it's not just merch and clothing mockups that Vexels offers. Vexels also offers mockups for branding, devices, food and drinks, signs and billboards, and seasonals. So I usually go with merch and clothing. That was why I showed you the different merch and clothing designs. But Vexels doesn't only Vexels offers a whole lot of designs such as cards. So this is cards for branding, devices, computer devices. I don't use this one as much. There's also food and drinks for those who are doing mockups for mugs. These are mugs, as well as signs and billboards. So virtually everything you need for your print-on-demand businesses is right here, guys. So you should definitely take advantage of this. It's an all-in-one. Vexels is an all-in-one package. It has everything you need for your print-on-demand businesses, from mockups to designs, design requests, scalable designs, merch-ready designs, t-shirt makers, mockup generators. Is everything in one, guys. So if you want to check out Vexels, there are 2 links in the description. The first one is for the monthly and yearly plans, and the second one is for the lifetime plan. And I strongly suggest you go with the lifetime plan because I am also a lifetime subscriber, like I've just shown you. So guys, if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up, as it helps the YouTube algorithm show my videos to more people, and it also helps my channel grow. And if you like more videos about Etsy, leave a comment, leave a yes, I'll like more videos about Etsy, and I'll definitely make some more videos. So if you're looking forward to those videos, definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I release videos like this. So see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.